going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. So today's video is finally time to put the new plastic piece on here. So I've decided, and I'm sure you guys are going to ask me, you guys have been asking me, Eddie, what are you going to do with the bumpers? I know you were going to get the vlog bumpers or vlog or whatever it's called. I had somebody make me a little rendering on this truck with those bumpers on it, and with, you know, the stock look. How, I mean, this doesn't look obvious. It's not a SEMA truck. So this truck is just, you know, it's basically stock other than lift, you know, rims, tires. But look-wise, it doesn't really have, you know, I haven't started any of the paint or anything. I'm not doing any suspension, fancy suspension work or anything like that. And with this, like, stock look and those bumpers, it didn't look good. It didn't look like, I don't know how to explain it, but like on Ryan's truck, everything matched, everything looked good, everything is color matched, painted, it looked good. On this, it didn't look that good, and I wasn't really too happy with it. So we're going to keep the stock bumpers on the truck until, you know, I don't know, maybe one day I decide to build a SEMA truck. But as of right now, it's staying stock. But we got my buddy Mario under here again.
What's going on,
man,
guys?
what's going on, man? Is this difficult or what is it? I don't think this is easy, guys. This is we got to get rid of this. See this right here? This and that. That's a no-go. How you doing on there, buddy?
It's not really difficult. I mean, it is time-consuming. The one thing I was discussing here with Eddie, that I don't know why GM did this. It's personally, I think it's a stupid idea. I mean, at the point we're at today, we could do a quick twist lock or something. As many of you guys know, the new vehicles for the spare tires, you know, they have either a little...
Which I don't even have a spare tire, clearly.
Yeah, as you guys can see, you know, Eddie doesn't have a spare tire. It's where he got all his tanks and his horns here, you know. But, you know, they made this thing over here where it's a lock ring. And
show them what it looks like.
The design, the bad design of this lock ring over here. Let's see if you guys can get in there. And there's all these little pins that go on the outside of it. And those little pins, I hope you guys can see that pretty well. But all those pins out there, unfortunately, yeah, it's kind of hard to try to show that there. But one of the problems with those pins that it has is that you have to fold every single one of these little pins on over. That stupid design, you know, that Chevy did on this. So there's that lock ring, and on the inside of that lock ring, you can slightly see it right there. Those little teeth. And those teeth hold that piece in.
Nice.
So you have to literally pry every single one around this circumference of this ring and take them off. And I mean, it's a stupid design at this point. Like, even with the wiring, it's a plug-in. Why not do like a twist lock or something, you know?
Yeah. Well, other than that, how about like lights? Is everything else pretty easy to pop off?
Yeah, I mean, there's like 3 bolts on each side, small 7mm and a T20 Torx. Besides that, everything else is pins. You know, it's plastic pop-in pins. And if Eddie goes over there on that side, you'll see there's like a couple of little metal clips, but there's nothing too major. It's just you got to make sure you got patience. That's the only thing.
Patience, my friend.
Patience is the virtue.
Oh, nice. All right, all right. Well, we're getting some here, guys. But yeah. I've been waiting on this just because I was not sure what I wanted to do, and I just did not like the look of the rendering. So I'm gonna keep these stock bumpers. This has to go though. That is no way is gonna work for me there. But it looks like he's getting everything all taken apart right now. Doesn't look fun though. But I'll show you guys how he's popping this off. Have we figured out, Mario, how to take this top piece off yet, or no?
Yeah, the top piece isn't that hard. I've already taken off all the major hardware. The rest is literally just popping it off in sections. Okay, and it looks like
Mario's pulling rocks out of here. Where the heck did you find this from?
That rock was between the metal section of the bumper and the plastic section. So
nice. See that, guys?
Going for a ride.
This is a work truck right here. You see? Look at that. Pulling rocks out of my work truck. I don't know how in the heck that got in there. Well, I'll keep you guys updated and once he gets it off. But as of right now, I know you guys saw yesterday's video of the Max Tracks, I believe they're called. So Mario told me something yesterday when we were making the video that I just found out, and why I did not get the Max Track. Well, Mario was saying you probably didn't get the Max Track because Max Track, what did you say, Mario? They were like discontinued or they shut down?
Yeah, when I bought mine, I bought my Max Tracks on a closeout sale. So the local dealers were closing out, and I couldn't find anything else. And from what I had heard, Max Tracks closed out for at least in the US. I'm not sure if there's anything else out in Australia, but I mean, at least for us, there's no Max Tracks available anymore.
See, guys, so I think that's why when they sent me the, I didn't even remember what the heck these are called, but I think when they sent me those, they sent them to me because maybe there were no Max Tracks available, I guess. I don't know. But I really do want to try these out, and Mario pointed something out. On the Max Tracks, there is like a rope, because I asked them, when I asked Mario, I said, okay, these are nice, but what happens if these things, you know, you use them and then they get buried in the sand or mud? How the heck are you supposed to take them out? Well, he told me the Max Track ones have like a rope attached to the side of it where you can pull the rope, or I guess, what was it, rope or
No, it's
like a strap?
Like a tie-down material.
Tie-down material, so.
Literally like a ratchet tie-down. It's about 1 inch wide with a open-end loop on both sides. So I mean, they're about 3 to 4 feet long. It lets you to put it around the handle section, and
okay.
If it gets buried in the mud, as long as you have the strap, it's an easier recovery point for it.
Okay, well, there you have it, guys. That was the question that I asked them, was how the heck am I supposed to take these out? So I'm gonna have to, maybe I'll put like a little strap right here. Then I got some bungees right over there, and you know, we'll see how that works out. But I can't wait to use them. I really want to try it because I bought like these mud claws, I think they're called. You strap to the tire, and those will work okay if you don't have a tire that is so close to the fender. If your tires are close to the fender, that's not going to work. This is going to look like the best bet, but we'll wait and see and try them out. You got it?
Yeah, after fighting this thing for a little while, you guys can, Betty wants to go on the outside real quick.
Yo, let's see what we got going on over here.
Oh,
here we go.
Free.
Nice.
And if you want to pass me that, the GoPro quick, I'll show these guys those teeth.
What in the mother cheese?
It's a stupid design.
Wow. There you go. There you go, mister.
So you guys can see now, there's all those teeth right there on the outside. And it's a stupid design, honestly. I mean, like I was saying, there's these twist locks now that are circular, but there's all these little these little teeth that literally just bite it.
Now you know there's gonna be comments out there saying, "No, you're wrong."
Oh yeah, I know. The guys are gonna. I already know guys are gonna say I'm wrong. That you should do this, or they're gonna say, "Why don't you take the whole bumper off and do it that way?"
Yeah,
You know, guys, everybody can do it their own way. Personally, I don't want to.
First, if you want to do another way, come on over and do it yourselves.
Exactly. I mean, like.
So now, why do we got all this crap wood and everything in here? Thank goodness we're taking this off. We're gonna need a good cleaning in here, man.
Now I can pop out of here from underneath.
All right, well, come on
start, we should be able to start taking some of this stuff off.
All right, well, let's see how he does this. So now, Duramax Barbecue, you cannot call my truck a salvage title anymore, okay? Because I know, if you're watching this, I know you're gonna comment or you're gonna DM me and say, hey, how's your salvage title truck? She's not salvaged no more. She's getting a new plastic, I don't know, plastic chingus on there. So she's good now. So now let's see what Mario's doing over here. Mario's over here just cutting, destroying my stuff up over here. Look at him, he's just having fun.
Oh, not too much fun, but.
Uh-oh. Let's, I'm gonna bring the stock one here, and I'm gonna put it here. We'll see how many clips and what do we have to compare, because I know, guys, on the stock plastic chingus here, there is a lot of pins all over, as you guys can see. But look at that, nice, fresh. She's so clean. Oh, I almost tripped. So clean and ready to be installed. So it looks like, yeah, Mario, it looks like there's a bunch of, if you can get to it, so these plastic parts right here, well, you probably can't, yeah, you're not gonna be able to get there under. You can push them in, but obviously that's me, you know, doing it like this. I don't think you're gonna be able to get it from there. So, good luck. All right, guys, so it looks like after that, he's all you're pretty much doing is, I guess, popping everything off. It looks like.
Yeah, if you can get in here, you can see.
Hold on, let me get this light. Oh, let me just get a light. All right. Yeah, it looks like it's just a bunch of clips. You're getting hung up on this one right in there. Yeah. Oh, no, you got it. Never mind. And you're getting hung up by the ones in the back too. Some thick plastic too.
Yeah. At least make sure it's durable.
Well, guys, looks like just pry, and continue to pry.
It's always smart to use plastic tools, that way you don't scratch up your paint too.
Yes. Just like that, guys. Well, I shouldn't say just like that. That was a that was kind of a pain in the butt. I'm not gonna lie. That there's a lot of clip. Woo! Well, at least now we can clean all this. Look at all that. That looks like a little Glamis, a little Gordon's, a little Buttercup over here.
A little bit of tree over there.
What in the hell? Look at this work truck, guys. This is a work truck right here. Trees, rocks. All right, now we gotta pull these steps and that off. Look at all the dirt. Look at this work truck working over here. All right, guys, getting the final piece on here. This is the tricky part. Make sure everything is lined up good. No more. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that looks so much better. So much better. She's a little dirty. I drove her for like 2 days and all this dust on her. Gotta wash her up again. That's what I'm talking about. Now I can sleep a little better at night, knowing that, well, I don't have a big gash right here. So Duramax Barbecue, you cannot call my truck salvage title no more. Well, there you have it, guys. Mario's buttoning up the bumper right now, but it is finally done, finally fixed. And if there is, well, I guess anybody that wants this or those, well, you can come have them for free, because I'm not gonna do anything for them. So if anybody wants it, you can DM me on Instagram. I'll put my Instagram name right there. And you can have them for free. But that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.